In this tutorial, we will create a 3D pastel liquid text effect in Illustrator. Start by making a new document with dimensions of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Set to RGB color mode and either medium or high raster effects. Once you've done that, click Create. Next, draw a rectangle outside the artboard. Hold Alt on PC or Option on Mac while dragging the rectangle to duplicate it. Or repeat this 3 times to create 4 rectangles positioned around the artboard. It's a good idea to set these rectangles to have no stroke, as we will use them to hold the color palette for the text design. For this example, the colors are 4 to 5 FFCA, FEF FSC, FFB 6D9, and D6 7BFF. Activate the Rectangle tool and click on the artboard to open the Rectangle dialog box. Set its dimensions to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Change its color to 33333 and center it using the Move tool or the alignment icons in the Align dialog box or Properties panel. If you can't see these panels, go to the Window menu and select them. Use the horizontal and vertical Align Center icons to position the rectangle perfectly. This rectangle will serve as the background for the text. In the Layers panel, lock this rectangle layer to avoid any unintentional edits. Now, activate the Type tool. For this example, we're using the Peace Sans font at a size of 500 pixels. Type your desired text. Set the color to white and align it horizontally in the center. If you want additional text, you can use a smaller size such as 120 pixels and also set the color to white. To adjust the spacing between characters, select the text with the Move tool, hold Ctrl and Alt on Windows, or Command and Option on Mac, and press the left or right arrow keys. For precise alignment, drag the smaller text beneath the larger text until you see the green glyph-bound alignment line. To ensure proportional spacing, hold Shift and adjust the size handles until aligned. Group the text to center it collectively using the alignment tools. Then ungroup it for further individual editing. Duplicate the text by holding Alt or Option and dragging it. Change the duplicate's color to black and set its opacity to 50%. These duplicates will serve as shadow effects later. Hide them temporarily and place each duplicate's layer beneath its corresponding original layer. To convert the text into editable shapes, select it, right-click, and choose Create Outlines. If your design includes complex raster elements, use the Expand option instead. To make the corners of your letters rounded, activate the Direct Selection tool and select the text shapes. If possible, hold Shift and select multiple letters. Drag the live corner widgets inward to create rounded corners. If your text is already rounded, this step can be skipped. Next, activate the Curvature tool and draw squiggly lines over the text shapes. Set the stroke color to black with a size of 2 points and no fill color. Finalize each line by pressing Ctrl or Command and clicking anywhere on the artboard. Repeat this method to create sections on the text shapes where you will apply the 3D pastel liquid effect. Once finished, select them using the Move tool and use the Shape Builder tool to convert the separated sections created by the squiggly lines into individual shapes. Remove any excess paths by holding Alt or Option and clicking on them, or by dragging over multiple paths while holding the same key. To apply color, use the eyedropper tool. Select multiple shapes by holding Ctrl and Shift on Windows or Command and Shift on Mac and clicking them. Release the keys, then use the eyedropper tool to apply a color from the palette. Repeat this for all text shapes. Once the shapes are filled, hide the color palette rectangles by deactivating their visibility in the Layers panel. To add the 3D effect, select the shapes within the text and go to Effect, 3D and Materials, and choose Inflate. Wait for the rendering process, which may take time depending on your computer's resources. If options are grayed out due to selecting multiple colors, apply the effect to shapes with the same color or edit them individually. Adjust the roughness and softness in the 3D and Materials panel as desired. Enable real-time preview for better visualization if needed. Under Render Settings, choose High Quality and select Render as Vector. Apply these settings to all shapes. For smaller text, apply the same 3D effect. But adjust the depth and volume values for proportional results. Reapply the High Quality and Render as Vector settings. Now, make the duplicate text visible. Expand it. Round its corners. Group the duplicates and position them slightly overlapping the original text to create a shadow effect. Ungroup the duplicates and move their layers beneath the originals. Finally, to export the design as a raster image, go to File, Export, Export as, name the file, select PNG or JPG, and click Export. Confirm the settings and open the saved file to view the final result. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.